Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up and open a Cash App account. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now you'll be able to see I'm on my iPhone and I downloaded the Cash app. If you're on an Android, just install the app and walk through these exact steps. So the first thing we're going to do is open up the app, and it's going to ask you for your phone number or your email. I'm first just going to enter in my phone number and hit next. After I do that, you'll be able to see it will ask me to send a code, and I need to enter in that verification code. So I'll autofill that verification code that it texted to me. Next, it says add a bank using your debit card, and you can see I can enter in the debit card number, expiration, CVV, and zip code. Or in my case, I'm just going to choose to skip this for right now. Down the road, I will add that later. And now it's going to ask me for my legal name. So my legal name is Trevor Nace, and hit next. After I've done that, it will ask me for my birthday. So I'm going to enter in my birthday here and then hit next. Now it says choose a cash tag. In my case, I'm going to see if Trevor Nace is available, and it is not. So let's choose Trevor Nace 10 instead. And hit next. Keep in mind that does need to be unique. No one else can have that exact same cash tag. Now, after I've done that, it says meet the Cash App card. You can customize it, no hidden fees, all of that stuff. If you wanted to apply for this Cash App card, you can do so, but you don't need to do so. So in my case, I'm going to hit skip. I don't necessarily want another card. And then I can choose to sync up contacts. In this case, I'm going to hit yes and continue so that I'll be able to send and receive money to my contacts. And I'm going to hit share contacts. Now you can see a lot of these use Cash App already. Some of them don't use Cash App. And you can see I can invite people and get $5. But I'm just going to hit the little X. And now I'm into Cash App. I can start sending and receiving money directly in Cash App. For instance, I can hit the $10. And I can choose to pool it. I can request that from someone else, or I could choose to hit pay and immediately start paying people or receiving money directly in the Cash App. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.